Sutro-001 is a novel molecule that goes after a target on B cells which are malignant and lead to multiple myeloma and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma.
It is internalized, meaning that it goes inside the cell and there it releases the chemotherapeutic agent. This chemotherapeutic agent is about 10 to 100-fold more potent than standard chemotherapy.
And once it hits the target on the multiple myeloma and on the non-Hodgkin's lymphoma cells, it will release the toxic payload that's attached to it to kill those cells. STRO-002 is our second antibody drug conjugate product. It was designed to be able to treat ovarian and endometrial cancers.
It's an antibody that contains a cytotoxic agent that's attached to the antibody in a very precise way. When the antibody drug conjugate binds to the malignant cell, in this case the ovarian cancer cell or the endometrial cancer cell, it goes inside the cell, it's internalized, and then released inside the cell, and it kills the cell.
So that gives us the ability to more specifically target the cytotoxin to the tumor cells rather than healthy cells.
At Sutro Biopharma, we believe that it is possible to take cancer from being a death sentence to a chronic disease.
It's very gratifying to see diseases like multiple myeloma and certain types of non-Hodgkin's lymphoma becoming more of a chronic condition rather than something that's invariably fatal.
We're very intrigued at getting best-in-class drugs for patients.
What Sutro's drugs hope to provide to patients is a new alternative to help them in terms of potentially curing the disease or certainly prolonging their lives.